Meet Stephen Cook, a dynamic speaker, author, podcaster, and consultant with years of experience in the sports business industry. From engaging keynotes to transformative workshops, Stephen captivates audiences with his insights and actionable strategies. Stephen's expertise spans innovative growth strategies, operational excellence, and leadership development. His passion for inspiring others shines in every talk, podcast, and consultation.
So children are born innovative. They're born creative. I like the story Sir Ken Robinson tells about a teacher that is asks all the children in the room, gives them a piece of paper and they're going to draw a picture, and she says, draw anything you want.
But today I just want to talk about communication, and these things are absolutes. These are things you need to do to grow. You will learn more by writing it. Every great thought that comes in your mind, write it. There's something that takes that message from your hand to your brain. Conversation's great. It's the only way you learn. And there's a place where balance is important. Listen as much as you talk, or maybe a little bit more.
I got intimidated and did stop. I stopped trying to change him. I should have made my point. That's my fault. That's on me.
That's in business too. When you try things, and when you fail at something, now you've learned your limit. Now you can get better. The secret is knowing these 5 things, but doing them in order. So you fill these buckets in the right order. So the direct knowledge is whatever business you're in. You're building a furniture business. You have to learn about carpentry and retailing furniture and how to build it. And then you need indirect knowledge about finance and accounting and tax return. The second is the skills, and you need soft skills and hard skills. The hard skills, if you're in the carpentry business, how you operate a saw, how you move lumber, how you drive a truck, all those things are the hard skills. The soft skills, again, are the accounting, the writing, the reading, all those things. So the 5th bucket is how much of the top 4 you have and how much of it's positive. So if you have a lot of knowledge, the reputation you're going to have is very positive. The skills.
Are you ready to inspire your group? Contact Steve Cook at scook@paradigmplaybook.com or visit stephenjcook.com to get started.